Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making our pasta with creamy mushroom sauce. So the very first thing that we've got going here is our large pot of boiling salted water. There's a touch of oil in there too. And I'm going to drop my pasta. And if you've never seen me do this before, I'm going to twist at the top just like that until it gets nice and spread out. Drop it in so that it scatters, and that'll help to prevent sticking. It's a good little trick. You can impress your friends with that. We'll let that start to work away. I've got a small saute pan here heating up about medium-low heat. We're going to melt a pat of butter. We've got a little touch of finely minced garlic. Just kind of flavor that up a little bit. All right. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put in some of our nice sliced mushrooms. All right, got that going. Going to get a little bit of color on here to really kind of develop the flavors. While that's working away, I have about a half a cup of milk, and I'm going to take a little splash of that to dilute my cornstarch. You should never just toss cornstarch in. Always dilute it in a liquid first. I'm going to dilute this in our milk. Okay, give our mushrooms a toss. All right, so we've diluted our cornstarch. We go ahead and pour this back in with the rest of our milk here to pour in the final dish. Just really make sure you don't burn these mushrooms. So you can see we're getting some nice color on there. All right, let's give our pasta a little. All right, at this point, we're now ready to add in some of our cooking cream. Our milk. Some of our chicken flavoring there. All right, now we're going to let this kind of cook together, thicken up a bit, bring the heat up on that. With the cornstarch in here, this you can see is already thickening up. I'm going to pull it off the heat. Got those nice earthy flavors from the mushrooms. Got some savory flavor from the chicken. I'm going to take a little bit of my pasta liquid. Add that in. Okay, at this point, we're just about where we want with our pasta. All right, we're gonna drain our pasta. Okay, Now we're ready to go in with our noodles. All right, and what we want to do now is simply toss this together and serve. And by finishing your pasta in the sauce, the two become one. The pasta actually absorbs some of the sauce. So it's not only on the outside, but it does soak it into the inside. All right, and that's all there is to it. So at this point, we'll plate this up and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.